What are you doing down there on the floor, Amy? Is that what you're thinking? Because that's what I'm thinking. And why is the dishwasher hanging open? Well, I will tell you. Actually, I will show you. Look at the inside of this dishwasher. Do you see that LIMESCALE buildup? This is like on everything. I scrubbed the door off at one point a few months back. And so like, I know it comes off, but it's like on everything. It's just disgusting. And so I decided it is time to clean the dishwasher. But of course, I don't want to actually clean the dishwasher. I just want it clean. Because I guess I'm a little bit lazy. So I'm going to try a couple of things. I have these Plink tabs. It says it removes buildup and residue. And I have used these before, not on anything this terribly hard, but I have used them before. And so I'm gonna pop one of these out. Yeah, there we go. Ooh, I left some in there. For heavily fouled machines, follow instructions below using 2 tablets. And I am going to tell you, this is a heavily fouled machine. This is definitely a 2-tablet thing. It says run the dishwasher on a normal cycle. We're doing what it says. We're placing them in the bottom of the machine. We'll slide that one forward a little bit. Run it on a normal cycle. And ta-da! Another 3 hours and 7 minutes. We'll see if it actually worked. It did not work. I don't think there was any difference at all. And let me just say, Ranger wasn't impressed either. Next, we're going to try this Finish product and see if it works. Maybe, maybe not. It says to take the sticker off and not to remove the wax plug. Place it in the bottom rack of the dishwasher in a secure place. Run it on the hottest cycle possible. Did it work? Yeah, that would be a big fat no. I'm pretty much out of ideas now. I guess it's time to put in a little bit of elbow grease and just try and clean it by hand. That does not sound like fun. In doing a little research, I found another option. This. Yeah, another option to try and clean out the dishwasher. So we're gonna go with it, we're gonna try it. Maybe it will work. I really am not looking forward to the whole idea of having to scrub all of that lime off, because I tried and it's like terribly long. So let me show you what it looks like right now. You can see how inside on the bottom I've kind of started to scrub off some of it, and down here you can see that there's some areas there, but then there's other areas where I've scrubbed most of it off. Well, okay, on this side, there we go. On this side, there's areas. See those back wheels? I haven't scrubbed those off. See these front wheels? I started to scrub those off. The instructions say to remove the lid, not the little wax thing. Turn it upside down in the silverware tray in a secure position. Turn it on a high temperature wash. Start. Go. The dishwasher is done. Let's check it out. Oh my goodness. Yes. This makes me so happy. Oh my goodness. I can't even tell you how happy this makes me. Look at that. Ha 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 ha. I'm so happy. I'm so happy. I'm so happy. I'm so happy. Yes. It worked. It worked. It worked. It worked. It's not on. It's not on though. These they're like brand new. Like there's nothing on them anywhere. The dishwasher is clean. The dishwasher is clean. I guess I get to celebrate by doing a load of dishes. Time to load it up.